Let's make my take on a Mauritian min frit. Start with some diced chicken, add some dark soy sauce, a spoon of flour, a pinch of bicarb soda, some white pepper, and some Chinese cooking wine. Mix it well and set it aside. Add a little oil to your wok and then in go the prawns. Quick fry on high heat just until they turn pink, and then take them out and set aside. In the same wok, eggs go in. You're making a really quick omelette here. Cook it through and then take it out. Now in goes the marinated chicken. Fry until it's golden, juicy and cooked through, then remove and set them aside. Now in the same wok, add a little more oil, toss in the onion and garlic, let them sizzle until you get that fragrance. Now in goes the cabbage and then the carrots. Give it a really good mix on high heat. We're going for that quick stir fry sort of crunch. Okay, time to bring back the flavour. Add in the chicken and then the prawns and give it all a really good mix. All right, in go the noodles and give it a good mix. Add a splash of rice wine vinegar for that tangy lift and a little bit more soy sauce to balance this all out. Add some of the eggs back in, one final mix and you're ready to serve. Mix it all really well on high heat, bring everything together. Nothing wrong if you see some really charry bits. That's the tasty stuff, in my opinion. Okay, time to plate up. Add some more of the eggs on top, sprinkle with some spring onion, and finish with a drizzle of some chilli oil. And there you have it, my take on a delicious Mauritian min frit. Thanks for watching.